Hi, my name is Philip Lemmel. The first thing I'm going to show you is my table of contents auto marker. This utility marks headings 1 through 4 while formatting all the title text as desired. I will now mark all 4 heading levels, which by default are bolding for the number, bolding and underlining for the title text, and finally bolding for the anchor. As this process is finishing, I want to change things up a little bit. I'm going to manipulate that text to demonstrate my different utilities. These processes will show you how documents should be formatted now and in the future. While I'm at it, I'm going to change the current scheme of the document using Word Style Gallery to a legal numbering scheme. This numbering scheme will be 1, 1.1, A, I. Let me run the TOC auto marker again, changing the bolding and underlining to just underlining. This process is one of the hardest to accomplish, and even some of the better marking systems still manually code each paragraph. So common sense would tell us that those processes would also include the need to check and update the codes many times during the editing process. My process demonstrates how easily you can format everyday documents, and don't forget the best feature of all is the ability to automatically recode the document after each editing session. As we scroll down the document, we see that all the numbers, title text, and the title text anchors are all coded to our specifications. Now, let me quickly insert a table of contents. As you can see, it has done a real nice job. Let's take a look at my Heading Finder Pro. I am selecting the text, cutting it, and using the Paste Special feature, which will paste the text back into the document as plain text. You can see there's no formatting, and even the numbering is just text numbers. So it makes sense that when I copy a couple of paragraphs and paste them back, the numbers do not change. The text numbering scheme I'm going to find is 1, 1.1, A, and I, which is a very common legal numbering scheme. Notice that this process does not stop at all the paragraphs, but prompts you and then highlights the number for the paragraphs that have a conflict. In this case, it is the conflict between heading levels 3 and 4, which is the lowercase Roman numeral I, and then III, and then the I in the ABCDHI. You select the correct heading level by viewing the numbers before and after the paragraph. Because of the video, it is hard to see the process of highlighting the text. Also, I've seen paragraphs that have a half page to a whole page long, and so if you do have a problem, you can double check the paragraph by looking up the page number located in the lower left hand corner and then find that paragraph in the original document. Finally, let me remark the document and I will generate a new table of contents manually to show you that I'm using Microsoft TC codes to both mark the document and generate the table of contents. As I am doing this final table of contents, I want you to think about 20-page documents that have 150 or more numbered paragraphs. I also want you to know that I've been doing document conversions with this system for over 10 years and find that most documents have the correct structure to treat their title text just like styles. If you think about it, my process makes all the title text the same, just like styles. Using my Heading Finder Pro and Table of Contents Auto Marker, documents that now take 2 hours using the best processes will only take 15 minutes. Thank you very much for taking the time to review my utilities.